Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to create a personal movie review database in Notion. First things first, you'll need to open up Notion on your desktop or laptop. Now, click on the plus new page button and name it something like Movie Reviews. This is where we'll be storing all your personal movie reviews. The reason we do this is to keep all your reviews organized and accessible in one place. Now that we've done that, let's get down to creating your database. Click on the plus Add a Block button, then select Table from the drop-down menu. We're using a table because it allows us to neatly categorize and display our movie reviews. Next up, we're going to customize the table. Click on the Properties button, then click on Add a Property. Here we'll add columns for movie title, genre, year, rating, and review. Each of these properties will help us to organize and evaluate our movie experiences better. Once you've set up your properties, it's time to start filling in your movie reviews. To do this, simply click on plus new and start entering the details in the appropriate columns. This step is crucial as it's where you'll be documenting your thoughts and ratings for each movie. Now let me explain why this matters. By creating this database, you're building a personalized movie guide that you can refer back to, share with friends, or use to track your viewing habits over time. Next, we'll add a filter to help sort your movies based on your preferences. Click on Add a Filter, then select the property you'd like to filter by. For example, you might want to filter by genre or rating. This helps us because it makes it easier to find movies based on our mood or preferences. Finally, you can also add a sort feature to order your movies in any way you want. Click on Add a Sort, then select the property and order. This is an excellent feature if you want to sort movies based on the year of release or ratings. And that's it. It's as easy as that to create your personal movie review database in Notion. You now have a custom, organized space to document your movie reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.